Hi, this is the third of a 7-part video tutorial on how to use the Xylect product selection tool. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make pump selections. There are a number of ways to make a selection using Xylect. Let's start with the quickest method. If you already know the model range of pumps you wish to make a selection from, click Start Sizing, then enter the range name in the model or name box. For this example, we'll be making a selection from the ESV range, so enter ESV. Then type in the flow and head requirements using your unit of choice. Once that's done, click the View Result button underneath. You may have to wait a second while the Xylect processes the request. If you don't already know the range of pumps you will be making a selection from, you can browse the different pump series based on your application. From the home screen, click on the Search by Applications box on the right hand side. You can then cycle through a number of common application types such as wastewater transport and industry. For this example, the pump we'll be selecting will be used in a commercial building services environment. On this screen, you are shown a diagram listing different pump types used in that environment, such as circulators or package pumping stations. For a full list of products, click on the green circle on the top left of the screen. We now want to select multi-stage surface pumps. This will then narrow down the multi-stage product ranges suitable for the selected application. You can either untick the pump ranges that don't apply or leave them selected for a broader search. Once you are happy with the product ranges you wish to make a search from, enter the flow and head requirements on the right-hand menu, then click View Results. And finally, you can select a pump through individual product type. From the home page, click on the top right box, Search by Product Type. You can then click on a product type that best describes the style of pump you wish to make a selection from. Again, with our example, we click Multi-Stage Surface Pumps, then scroll through the results till we find the ESV range. Similar to the previous method, we click on the ESV box, then enter the flow and pressure requirements on the right-hand side. Click View Results to move on to the next step. On the results page, it will show a list of pumps that Xylect believe to be a suitable selection for the stated flow and pressure requirements. These results are ordered based on efficiency by default, from least to most efficient, moving down the page. The best selection for your application may not be the most efficient. Therefore, you can toggle between which characteristics the results are ordered by clicking on the top bar. Within the results screen, you can also preview the curve of each pump by toggling the Display Curve switch on the top right of the page. This concludes part 3 of the Xylect pump selection tutorial. For the next part in the series, click on the thumbnail.